So this one we call a pinch callus, because when you are walking, if instead of toeing off the front of your toe, you're kind of toeing off the side of your toe, it pinches the skin here between the bone and the ground. So they call that a pinch callus. This is a really common place to get a callus.
Oh.
Lots of people get them here.
Uh-huh.
So you see there's just a little teeny spot right there where it goes a little bit deeper. I'll just trim that out. And then this one's kind of the same thing. It happens when you are stepping off, and you're stepping off the side instead of the front.
I've noticed that when I walk, that I walk on the side of my foot.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why.
It's just the way you're made.
Oh.
You know, there can be lots of reasons, and it can be something that needs to be fixed or not.
Uh-huh.
But everything else looks good.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.